The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning and welcome back. If I haven't said it recently, I hate 4-day weekends. Morning, Ray, Deepak, Albert, guys, good morning. Very good morning. Kieran, Jacques, Sally, good morning, fellas. Greg, Claudia, Dennis. Yeah, I hope you guys all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Enjoyed your families. We're back at it. We have quite a bit of, good morning, Nolan. We have quite a bit of news this week, economic news this week, including non-farm payrolls on Friday. We also have a number of Fed speakers this week. I don't think we have any today. Nothing, no. Today is devoid of any news. Good morning, Anthony. Hang on, guys. 1 second. Sorry about that, fellas. I'm back. In any event, we're back at it. We'll welcome any of the trial members that might be in. A few folks are here on trial. Good morning and welcome. When I opened the room, we had one of our trial members in. We do have a number of trials this week. What I will do for the trials is I will do what I do every day, which you'll see this week. I'm going to read the disclaimer, and then I will go over what you'll see in the room after we go through some charts. In any event, guys, good morning. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. Let's get that out of the way. And par for the course on a Monday, I'm going to look for it. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own account. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right. By way of explanation, if you folks are here on trial, let me kind of go over a couple of things. First, the room is comprised of two separate and distinct areas. The first, of course, being our fully automated robot, which when there's trades, for instance, there is a trade right now in the NASDAQ. I will move on to the screen and I will show you the trades when they occur. I am currently, there's target 1 on the NASDAQ. I am currently running 5 robots: NASDAQ, ES, crude, YM, and natural gas. Each of these 5 robots begin trading at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. They will all be finished at 11 a.m. when I'm wrapping up the room. The reason I conclude the bots at 11 a.m. primarily is so that when we leave the room, you will have both an individual total, i.e. per instrument, as well as an aggregate total overall. So each day that you come in this week, bots will have totals. They will have started trading at 6 a.m. I will show the trades and go over those trades. The second aspect of the room is will be order flow trades. I trade and teach order flow. I will offer order flow suggestions. For instance, this is hypothetical. Crude is a long here with a stop there and targets here. If you elect to trade those, and suggest that you do follow along in sim, because with any robot purchase, 3 months in the trade room is included. Morning, Hubba. Additionally, Monday through Thursday, I will send you guys out, if you're on trial, I will send out a daily email. It'll just be a recap of the session, but will include the video from this session. It is unedited. So the videos, depending on what's going on, will be anywhere from an hour and a half to 3 hours, 2.5 hours. If there's no trades, then of course I don't record dead time or dead air. But they are unedited. All videos are posted to YouTube and Vimeo. If you would like, you can follow me on YouTube and or Vimeo. If you go to YouTube, there are literally years worth of trade room videos there. Additionally, the robots are all trading in sim. I went to this about 2 months ago. I used to run one account across 5 instruments, but the most common question I get is, okay, well, that's great. The bots made $2,000 for the day, but I don't trade natural gas, or I don't trade gold. What did the ES do? What did the NASDAQ do? And because I was running them across one account, I didn't have that data. So about 2 months ago, I went to individual simulated accounts so that I can track not only individual data, which you will see when you get your daily email. I record daily gross, the prior week's gross, as well as current week net. It will also include your options for membership, which are on the website, but will include your options for membership. Lastly, I do trade a live account. The fact, as I said in the opening statement, the fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. So trade according to your own accounts. Lastly, I will suggest option trades. I primarily focus on the SPX, to a lesser degree SPY and Qs. On occasion, I may suggest a stock option, but I'm primarily focused on SPX. If during the course of your trial you have any questions, please type them into the chat box. I can see the chat box, and I will gladly answer questions. Good morning, Paul. In any event, let's talk about where we're at. ES has taken one trade this morning. It has neither gone to stop or target. This is your first trade of the day right here. So it is kind of languishing in the middle of Nowheresville. Crude is currently in a short, but headed towards the stop. So we'll see if it stops out, or crude was up mildly, maybe $280 prior to this trade. NASDAQ is up 500 this morning. Yeah, crude just took the stop. So crude is down $560 at the moment. NASDAQ has taken what looks like one trade, first target win only. Two trades, first and second target. And then a third trade, first target only. So it's had three trades, three winning trades on the NASDAQ bot. Natural gas is up $60. Should be up a lot more than that. It had one trade here, winning trade to first target only. Yep. Well, it just took a long. It had a short to all three targets. And that natural gas just took this long here. So we'll see how this plays out. I don't like it already, but we'll see. NASDAQ is now in a long as well. The most volatile of all of the bots is, of course, natural gas. Oh, last but not least, YM has chopped around today. YM is currently down 965. First trade was a winning trade. Second trade missed first target. Loser and a loser. Those are your bot trades. Let me go over charts, guys. Anybody get crude? Anybody get crude? There's NASDAQ target one hit. Anybody take crude? They're up 26 cents already. All right, guys, nice. Crude target one. Hang on, guys. Yeah, target one was 72. You can take some risk off here. Below that 72, we come 73.60. Below 73.60, bye-bye. All right, NASDAQ, YM also is in a short. Morning, Ed. What is the ES9R20? I don't even know what 9R20 is. Don't know what that is. The settings for the ES are in the member area, Ed. They're in the member area. I don't know what announcement you may be referring to. There has been no. Yeah, Nolan, I understood that. But he's asking specifically about the ES. The ES settings are in the member area. Those are the ones that I'm using. If you guys are in order flow class today, the link was sent. I think I did it Saturday morning. Everybody should have the link. If you do not, for some reason, you need to email me. Class today will, of course, be at 11:45. YM got target one on the bot, and ES is now flipped into a short on the bot. Ed, come on, man. Couldn't be any easier. Seriously, could not be any easier. What instrument are you looking for? Tell me what instrument you're looking for. Crude bounced. I did not hear any news. First target only. Yeah, I don't hear any news on crude. But 900 buyers just came in. Ed, let me ask you a question. Your eyesight is okay, right? I'm assuming it is. What does that say on top of the chart on the ES? You're referring to the NASDAQ. You're asking me about the ES, but you're referring to the NASDAQ. Yep, you're welcome. Robert, the settings for the ATR are 14. Unless otherwise noted, nothing's changed. It's been that way since literally day one. If I make a change, I will notate the change. If I don't notate something specifically, let's say target 3 or ATR or whatever the case may be, then it's unchanged. Looks like ES hit target 1 to the tick and did not fill. That crude move is interesting. Let me do this. There's that crude move. I don't know what this was about, but we're back over VWAP. Crude could pull right back to 74 bucks. If crude's going to break out, I suspect it'll be after the open. Yeah, no worries, Ed. No worries, man. Unfinished auction up here at 02 quarter and one down here at 96. Those will both get filled. Gold looks like it's going to go long. Heavy volume in natural gas today. Gold, the aggressive entry would be 54, 1 or 2. Better entry is 55.3 with target 1 at 56.7 on gold, 55.3. We're just chunking around here, guys. Don't particularly care for this natural gas long. $70.60. Yeah, this looks like it wants to go. ES could pop back up to VWAP at 06. All right. Natural gas, guys, if it comes through 60, would be your long. All right. NASDAQ just went long again, or another trade on the NASDAQ. If this pops 60, your target is somewhere up about 102 or 3 with VWAP just above. It's the only interest I have for the long. Looks like it's not going to get out, maybe. 17 contract positive delta is not. NASDAQ should get targets. ES traded into that trend line and faded. Watch gold here at 55.3. 55.4 would be your entry. Target 1 would be 56.7. Natural gas may go. All right, NASDAQ got target 1. Here comes gold. It's just sitting. Natural gas target 1. You got an offer at 89. We'll call target 1 87 for now. Assuming it gets through this little swing. The short would be on the other side at 21. Higher lows here with maybe a 98 target 1. Looks like it wants another inside candle. Guess everybody has a Thanksgiving hangover here, fellas. This is slow. There it goes. All right, they just ran him all the way up. He's gone. He's way up at 71.40. You can take first target at 85 to 87, or as high as maybe, he just dropped down to 97, maybe 95. Gold is coming. Got to get through VWAP, catch this swing. Target 1 is that unfinished auction. $56.7 target 1. There it is. Block by here, block by here. Natural gas into some support. This looks like it can pop at about 8:42, 5 minutes from now. Gold's working through this former sell zone. All right, there's target one on gold. Target, no, I'm sorry. Come on, give me 85. Target one, natural gas. Target one on natural gas, 85. You can milk this if you want. You could take it somewhere up into here, 98, if you want to be aggressive. There's 82. We got 85 to the tick for target one. You can milk it. You guys good on natural gas? If natural gas gets above 105, she can break out hard if you guys have a runner. It's got to get above 105. $215 final target, $210 final target. Gold. Are you kidding me? I'm going to close gold momentarily unless this comes back above VWAP. This is just it's trying. I'm out of gold, guys. I'm out. I'm done with it. Morning, Stuart. Come on, guys. Get through that swing here. Get VWAP. has not gone to target or stop. It's doing nothing here. Looks like it could push up to 24. Yeah, got the VWAP. We need 145. What a slow and dull pre-market. There it is. Man, that was torturous. Gold still trying to get this dang unfinished auction, guys. Slow as molasses. Final target 72.5 maybe on gold. Wait a minute. Oh, God, my apologies. TradeStation has rolled to February. 57.6. TradeStation's rolled already. Those of you guys that are on trial, so if anybody took natural gas, your first target was 21. Next target down would be 98 on natural gas. Yeah, I do. So whenever there's a bot trade, Ed, you're joining us a little bit late. Today I'll be sending out, Monday through Thursday, I send out a daily email to you folks that are on trial, as well as the room video. If you would be so kind as to watch the first 20 minutes at least of the video from today, I go over everything in the room. But for instance, ES is in a short and has been in a short for a while. 817. It's just been screwing around here. But the bot, just so you guys on trial understand, the bot identifies targets based on average true range. So these are not generic targets. These are the stops and targets are identified by the bot at the time of trade, right up until the point of entry. Now, what the bot cannot do, if volatility or average true range should change once the trade is executed, it cannot adjust your stop or target. So, for instance, if the bot fires a trade like in the ES and the first target is at 2.5 handles, and Russia sends a nuke into the Ukraine, and all of a sudden volatility increases and the ES sells off 200 points, the bot cannot readjust targets once the trade is fired. Guys, it's been a very slow pre-market trade. Maybe a little bit of hangover from the long holiday. People not back at their desks yet. I don't know, but this was kind of a sloppy trade. I'll be taking breakfast break here momentarily. If anybody has any questions before I jump, please feel free to ask. Anything, guys, before I go eat breakfast? Two losers on order flow trades for. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, no worries, Ed. No worries at all. Two losing trades, order flow trades on gold. Tried twice on gold. A nice winner on a crude short order flow trade. A nice winner on natural gas long order flow trade, and a nice winner short natural gas on an order flow trade. I guess all in all, it wasn't a bad morning. I'll be back, guys, in about 20 minutes. Okay? Stretch your legs, get coffee. Target 2 filled. The ES spot is now up $1,000. It's a hell of a push. We're going straight to freaking 32. Wow. We got to the 05. I have no interest in ES unless it's above 15. So if you guys are aggressive, you could trade it here to 10. Look at this. Straight up bid on the open, guys. ES spot is in a trade, and I can't move it because it's there it is. ES spot is long. NASDAQ got to that 24. We could get 32. One tick from target 1 here on the ES. Target 1 filled ES spot. There's 10 if anybody took that at 6. Pretty close to it. Target 1 ES filled. Should get this target 2. Target hit on NASDAQ at 32. There it is. Target 2 hit and filled. Big gap down. SPX. We're pushing resistance here at 10. Above 15, you can be long if you're not long now. Target would be 25. Those are the only trades that fired on the open. NASDAQ looks like it's going to break out above 47. Yes, Friday's low, fellas, is 766. Friday's close is 782. I think we trade. There's a gap fill from last night, which would be up to the close. New day high. Watch natural gas. NASDAQ, small positive delta. Looks like we can trade 780 now. That's pink line right there. 130. Yep, Paul, correct. Natural gas is long above 130, guys, if you trade natural gas. Here goes NASDAQ's going to trade 780. Long on natural gas. You are long natural gas. Need a pullback here if we're going to keep going. All right, guys, ES is long, 15. Natural gas is going nicely. Target number one on natural gas is 170. 168 on natural gas. 168 on natural gas. Or as you see fit. You're in the money, but 168 is what I have as a target. ES was long at 15. Target is 25. This could jockey around. It's into resistance here. 15 pushed to 17.75. All right, we tagged Friday's low. Hang on, guys. NASDAQ needs to push up above 63.50 to get target one. There it is. Target two. NASDAQ bot now up 14.25 on the day, fellas. I will not take any longs up here. So what I will do, I will set that for shorts only. I have no interest in longs up here. I'll only let it take a retracement at this point. Or, again, you guys make a determination. Do you want to shut the bot off? It's up 14.25 on the session. If you guys can hear that noise, I apologize. They're blowing leaves outside of my window. Here comes that 780 target. 780 target on NASDAQ. Next level up. 82.75 is Friday's close. SPX is fading. Anybody take crude long at 70.71? Anybody long crude? If you took CL, okay, Ryan, target number one is right here, 88. Target number one is right here at 74.87. There it is. 88 target hit. Stop us to break even. And now hope for the move to, let me see where crude can go, guys. Hang on, fellas. 96 is going to be a problem for 75.21 final target. 75.21 on crude. 75.21. Target one hit and filled natural gas from 130 to 68. 38 ticks on natural gas. Final target for me on natural gas 204. 204 if you are in natural gas. 204. Okay? 204. Final target natural gas. Crude. Target one is hit and filled. Oh, sorry, Nolan. All right, here's your 80 target or next level has been hit on NASDAQ. 80 next level has been hit. No, it didn't. 78. My bad. I'm within 2 points, but it'll get it. You're going to get 82.75, which is Friday's close. Guys, knocking them dead. If you're not making money, you ain't trading. Any questions? 75.36 final target NASDAQ. I'm sorry, crude. 75.36. I am pulling back into some support. Natural gas, 204 final target from 30. 29 break, 30 entry, 204. Still like ES long. Still like ES long to 25 if you are patient as a church. I like SPX calls. 4015s or 4020s, SPX calls. 4015 or 4020. All right, got next level up on NASDAQ. Now above Friday's close, we trade 802. Is everybody good, fellas? Other than Nolan, whose platform is down. You're welcome, Claudia. All right. Easy money was made. Ugh. They're blowing leaves right outside my office. Okay, Mark. Let me just check a couple of things, guys. Francisco, good morning. It is, Ron. It's driving me nuts, too. We've slowed down to a dull roar. Fading off of Friday's close on the NASDAQ. We did not get either to Friday's low or close on the ES. And I have no bot trades to show, guys. There has been no trades since we opened, other than what I've shown you. There has not been another bot trade. NASDAQ is going to give us a small short as well. Crude still going if anyone is holding crude. I'm waiting for NASDAQ to flip on me or for me. Give me 1 minute, guys. Be right back. Natural gas came within 5 ticks of our 204 final target. Monster trade, guys. Monster. If anybody's still in it. NASDAQ, to me, looks like we're going to pull back a shard. ES is a small short down to 07 target 1. NASDAQ has to break below 53, and you may get target 1 at 39, 53 to 39. If anybody is interested. There it is. Short, short, short. 39 is target 1. Call it 40. Come on. Yeah, now I'm listening to Lagarde. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Pull back to 39.40. That should be initial support. If that breaks, we are coming 713 right back into VWAP. If anybody is short. Mester does not feel the Fed is anywhere near a pause. Target number 1 on the ES is 07. You're almost there. There it is, 7. ES target, I'm sorry, NASDAQ target 1 is 40. And I do not think we hit it. We hit 42.75. Come on, ES, 2 more ticks. Don't be a chooch. 2 more ticks. You gonna jack me for 2 ticks? 1 tick. I do believe ES is going to come down and NASDAQ as well. Mester expects meaningful progress on inflation next year. 07 target hit and filled. ES. It is now a free trade. NASDAQ 40 target hit. Come on. Hit 40 half. Come on, 2 more ticks. Come on. I mean, you may not want to screw around for 10 bucks. You guys may want to take your risk off on natural gas. Came within 5 ticks of that final target. Natural gas could roll over. We held that hourly trend line again. Don't have much going on here, guys. Hang on, guys. We are awfully quiet, guys. Out on natural gas. All right, Chris, nice job. Dave's gross is in. Nice job. If I had to take a trade, I guess it would be shorts. We could trade down to 24. Where is my? This is just really quiet here, guys. Tesla went weekly up. Okay. That would be my entry for long on the NASDAQ, but it does not want to do anything. Christine Lagarde is saying forward guidance is not helpful at the moment. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to sell NASDAQ. I sold NASDAQ, guys. I sold 51.50. Trying to get to 38, 39, target one. I'm short NASDAQ at 51.50. There we go. 39 would be target one. If you guys are interested, that's what I'm trying to get for target one. Come on, rat dog, seriously? If NASDAQ breaks below 40, it can come down a ways. We have 15-minute support at 40. If 40 breaks, it comes down a ways. Come on, sell them off. 300 sellers in this 3-minute bar. Sell them. If you guys want money, take money. Trade them as you see fit. It's obviously slow. And has to break 40. If 40 breaks, this could be a sell all the way down to 97. I have it as shorts. But 40's the key. Next 15-minute bar is not for 6 minutes, but I do think this is going to break. Jesus, this is slow, fellas. Some more sellers in here, guys. They're holding 40. Yeah, if that breaks, we come 27 would be the next level of support. Natural gas. If natural gas gets above 202, it's going to rot. We could go 73.40. 73.40 above 202. Crude is still going. It's almost to my final target, Ryan. If you're holding, you're the only one that took it. As far as I know. ES sitting on support, basically at VWAP. And this is about as boring a trade as it gets. Yeah, NASDAQ, I think, is coming down. I think that's going to break. Anybody holding NASDAQ short, fellas? Here it comes. All right, fellas, here we go. Come on. Break this puppy. I have no bot trades to show. There it goes. Come on. Somebody filed for major bankruptcy today and started layoffs. Who? There you go, guys. Took profit on crude. Nice job. Hit final target from 71. Almost 100 ticks. 75, 78 ticks. Guys, big winners in natural gas, big winner in crude. And NASDAQ and ES are chopping around. That's all they're doing, chopping. So 51 and change came down to 32 and change, almost 20 handles. It's an average trade. The bad news for NASDAQ is we are now down from 2,135 net buyers. We are now down to 560. I have no interest in taking a long here as long as we're below Friday's low. The only way that I'm interested in a long would be above Friday's close, which is 82.75. No interest in this chop zone here. Opening range high, I'll mark them for you. Looks like 88.75. Is that it? No. Here's your opening range high. And your opening range low on the NASDAQ looks like 94. I have a bot rate somewhere. YM, guys, I'll bring it over in a second. There's your opening range low. We could see that with Bullard. Here is YM on the bot. SPX looks like it wants to go back up to 40.10. NASDAQ is just chunking around, but should come down. Hold those shorts, guys, if you got them. I think NASDAQ works down to 98. We're down below 400 net buyers on the NASDAQ. Below 400. There's target 1 on YM bot. Stop is moved automatically to break even plus 1. Target 1 is hit. More interested in this NASDAQ, guys. NASDAQ down below 300. Out on YM Runner. NASDAQ is now down below 300 net buyers. Function of time, fellas. Function of time. They're going to sell them all. We're at 250, 252. Looks like they're going to suck all the premium out of the fourth at maybe. It's just a sloppy chop day. Probably waiting on Bullard. Let them start talking about 7% terminal rate again. See where we go. And no bot trades, guys. Nothing. Not hard to believe with the price action. Yeah, that's my entry above 40.15. ES has a negative delta of just under 10,000, trading into an absolute mess. ES is trading into a mess. Natural gas trying to get a bid. First hurdle is 150. I still think NASDAQ is going to give them all back. We're down below 2. Well, we just went back above 2 now. We're right around 200 net buyers, guys. It's just floating. For the members, I do, Ed, not for trials, no. But I can tell you what's on my charts because they're all basically the same. So I'm using the candles that you see. These are my trend candles. These are actually were, I believe, developed by Raji Horner from John Carter's room. And she calls them grab candles, green, red, and blue. They don't build indicators for NinjaTrader, so I had it programmed for NinjaTrader 8, but all credit goes to her. Then I use current day VWAP, and I use these levels, these colored dots that you see, blue, and these are Ludwig levels. They're support and resistance levels. Pam Ludwig, who develops them or has programmed them, is a member of mine. But I'm not an indicator guy per se. I basically trade order flow. I'm only interested in buyers and sellers. Guys, I'd love to show you bot trades, but I have none. ES is trying to turn up. ES, we got target 1 on the ES. NASDAQ is breaking down towards that final target at 97, 98. Negative delta has crawled up to 700. Guys, huge friggin' trade from 51. Big trade, $1,000 if you were patient. All you need is one trade a day. This has to break value area low at 02 quarter. We trade down to 95. If it breaks here, value area low, we're going to get that second target on ES. There it is. Come on. There it is. Still not to 97. Ray Holland, are you in the room? It's obviously 2.0, not 20. I had Dean put it in and I didn't check it. I'll look at it now. Let me just look. E-mini, Russell, Crude, NASDAQ, NQ, ES, Gold, YM. That's right. Well, you're doing something wrong then, because it's right in there, other than he missed the decimal point. I mean, commonsensically, which you obviously did, you have to look at that. There's 97. Hold those shorts. We just broke the opening range low. Commonsensically, I mean, if there's anybody that said, yeah, I'm going to use a 20 times average true range for a stop, you would have to have your head examined. Guys, it's a monster trade, man. Still don't think we're going very far, but nonetheless, all targets hit. ES spots up 450. Crude's down 360. NASDAQ's up 1425. YM is down 95 bucks. Spots are very green overall, just very quiet. NASDAQ 656 might be your final target. 656. Almost 1,500 contract negative delta. Sitting on the opening range low. Yeah, I'm not sure, Hubert, but I will surely let you know. 10:30, we have Dallas Fed. Prior reading was minus 22. Small buyers in here. We could bounce back to VWAP. Should be out, guys. I don't know what that means, Mimi. What strategy am I playing with the NQ? I have no idea what that means. Minus 14.4 versus minus 22 expected. Three. Nothing going on here. Oh, da, 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 da. We could pop back up to 718. ES probably pops back to 06 if you want a small long on the ES here at 3.5. Kind of slow, but should get to 06. It's kind of doop-de-doing its way back up. NASDAQ is holding a 50-period moving average on the 15-minute chart. And building a bear flag on the small time frames. Crude, I think you have a small short on crude below 61, so call it a 60 short on crude. Target at 37, 75.37. Hey, this is so slow, fellas. Come on back down. Let's go, Ratback. Below 92. Come on. It's 3-minute support, for God's sake. Get below 92. Come on. Come on. Sell it below 92. There we go. 292. Get below 92. There we go. Come on. Nice job, Hubert. We're farting around, guys, around the opening range low. This is a short. This is a short. Small support at 87. And I can't get a damn bot trade to save my life here. Nothing. They're so damn slow. I'd like to see crude roll over. And just thinking around here, guys. On a 3-minute bar, we're doing nothing. ES doing nothing. Natural gas is bid. If natural gas gets above 200, it breaks out. 204, really, it breaks. If you guys like natural gas and you want to trade, natural gas is going to break out. Above $7.20, NG breaks out. Your first target would be 26. Above 39, it goes 72.80. So $7.20. This is what's got to go there. Okay. And then above 72.40, YM went long in the bot. Above that, it goes 1.75 miles. Okay. Here's YM on the bot. NASDAQ's not going very far. It may make 17, but I don't think it's going much further. Crude has to break below 60. I think you can short crude here with a 96 stop. But I really need it below 60. Natural gas on the cusp. NASDAQ needs to get above 1250. It could make 24 again. I don't think so. 17, I think, is going to jack it. SPX is trying. Slow trade, fellas. ES has to get above that hourly trend line again. NASDAQ may be. Boy, natural gas is so close, guys. So close. Is there anybody that has not made money today? Is there anybody not making money? There's not been an abundance of trades. Hey, you bastard. And it's been a very slow, even the move down in the NASDAQ was very slow. Are you taking order flow trades, Stuart? Are you doing your own thing? When you say both, so you're doing your own thing, and what else? What's both? You're not taking order flow trades? Is that what you're saying? I'm assuming that's what you're saying. Okay. Oh, okay. Who? Don't get frustrated. I mean, if you want to have a conversation, feel free to call me. Guys, I don't care if these markets sell off 1,000,000 points or go up 1,000,000 points. I just can't stand this slop and chop and do nothing and go nowhere market trade unless it comes through 200. SPY, I've got Bupkis, and crude is going to roll over, and it got my first target. Anybody take the crude short? That's 60, whatever the heck I said it was, 67. Anybody take crude short? You have target 1. ES is not going to take. Okay, Claudia, ignore your email on the order flow class. You found the register. Okay, good. Guys, don't forget, order flow class is in an hour. If there's anybody that does not have the link, you need to email me prior to class. Crude is still coming. Yeah, if you're short crude, you've got support at 75.23 would be another target. And below that, 75.08. Stop should be at break even. I'll be right back, guys. 1 minute. See if it can get the short. It's within a few ticks of the short. There it is. All right, we got a short on crude. Let's see what happens. 21 is going to give it support. Natural gas is still trying, but nothing. YM selling. Where's that NASDAQ? NASDAQ's now coming. I think NASDAQ's going to work down to 66 if anybody is short. And I think crude will get that target, but it probably won't be until 11 or thereafter. ES is done for the day. We're not going to get a long. So that's going to finish done for the day. Same with the NASDAQ. We're not going to get another long, I don't think. It's only got 6 minutes. That's done for the day. Same with the YM. It's going to finish down $20. That's done for the day. All right. This is May. Watch gas if we're out of the room and you trade it. Mark these levels, 720 and 724. Let me look at that natural gas again. No, 40. Yeah, 72.40. Well, the room, you know when the room opens. We're generally closed by now. 5 minutes ago. I'm just trying to get one more trade here. I don't know that I can get it, but if it pops up over that 0203, I want to be long into VWAP. Well, 720 starts the move. Above 740, she blows like, blows. I don't know that it does or does not get there, but all right, Ricardo, see you tomorrow. NASDAQ is building. It's trying to push through a small time frame trend line. 13 sellers here. No, sorry, I'm watching natural gas. 29 sellers. They're going to trap the shorts, guys, at some point. Now they could, sell this thing off into the close of Europe, and then they're going to bury the Europeans and let them live with it until tomorrow.